Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to today's science lesson. For today's lesson, we're going to be doing something a little bit fun. So we're going to be talking about fall, since we're in fall and we're in the month of October. And on Seesaw, you're going to make your own jack-o'-lantern. So why don't we go ahead and get started? We're going to watch a video about fall, and then I'll go over your Seesaw activity. But it's a really short lesson today, and we're going to try and make Wednesdays a little bit more fun in the future. So just a fun fall activity to do.
Look, Moby. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? I love playing in the leaves in the fall. What is fall weather like? Fall, or autumn, is the season between summer and winter. In most places, fall is cooler than summer, but warmer than winter. Fall days can be sunny and warm, with a cool breeze, and the nights can be chilly. In the fall, the days are shorter than in the summer, and there are fewer hours of sunlight. In autumn, I wear pants and sweaters or light jackets. Sometimes it rains in the fall. When is fall? It takes a year for Earth to orbit or go around the sun. Our planet is tilted at an angle. Earth's tilt and orbit cause the seasons to change. Different parts of the world go through seasons at different times in the year. In the United States, autumn starts near the end of September and ends near the end of December. Good question, Moby. What do people do in the fall? Many schools start in the fall. I know it means summer is over, but it also means I get to see my friends at school. Throughout the spring and summer, many fruits and vegetables grow. When fall arrives, farmers harvest or gather their crops before colder weather arrives. You're right, Moby. Halloween is a fall celebration. But there are many autumn holidays that celebrate the harvest. Thanksgiving is in November, and families come together and eat. Thanksgiving celebrates the feasts the Pilgrims and the Wampanoag people shared. Many Jewish families celebrate Sukkot in the fall. Friends and family build a hut together and share food from the harvest. Many Asian families come together for the Moon Festival. They celebrate a time when there's plenty of food for the whole community. People gather to eat mooncakes and to light lanterns. In many parts of India and Nepal, people celebrate Diwali, a festival to share food and light candles. Right, Bubby. Fall holidays bring people together. What do plants and animals do in the fall? Some birds migrate and fly to warmer places. Butterflies, buffalo, and whales migrate to warmer places too. Many living things spend the fall preparing for the colder winter. Some animals, like bears, eat a lot and gain weight. Then they live off their fat throughout the winter. In the fall, some animals gather food to store in the winter. During the fall, Many animals build or search for shelter to stay safe throughout the winter. The leaves of some trees change color and then fall off so plants can save energy during the winter. Fall foliage sure is beautiful, right, Moby? Right, Moby? Hey, you can't hide from me. Oh, hi, Moby.
Alrighty, so now I'm going to go ahead and just briefly go over your seesaw activity. So what you're going to do is you have to design a jack-o'-lantern. So you're going to use the pen tool to draw a face or to design your jack-o'-lantern. And don't forget to be creative and use lots of color. And I do want to show you an interesting tool that you can use when you're designing your jack-o'-lantern. Now, I gave an example video of you can do a couple different kinds.
Hey, boys and girls.
So you could make a jack-o'-lantern, or you could make your own like cat or moon, or something that's Halloween related, or anything. It could be a superhero, whatever you want your jack-o'-lantern to look like. Remember, jack-o'-lanterns aren't always just faces, but they can also be like, a scene or a big creepy spider or a witch or something like that. But you're going to design your jack-o'-lantern here on this pumpkin. And something I want to go over with you is whenever you are looking at different tools, if you double click it, so like watch, I'm going to click the pen once and click it again, and it changes the thickness. So like instead of the line being like this, I could change the line and it would be real thick. See? Same thing for all these other tools. You could make it real thin, where it like is the highlighter where it glows, or you can make it real thick. That's the highlighter. This is that like cool glow tool. So I'm going to keep using yellow since we're using yellow. But like, see, I could use, something really skinny that glows, which is cool because on a jack-o'-lantern, like you could draw something that glows because it's the light behind it, right? Like the candle. Or you can make it like really, really thick, right? Check that out. Woo! That is crazy. So this is something you could do. You could use any tool you want. You could even use the shapes tool over here. So like you could use triangles for the eyes, right? Change the size, change the color, make it yellow if you want, make it orange, make it red. Well, you couldn't really make it orange, I guess. You can make it black, right? A lot of kids associate jack-o'-lanterns with the black background. So that could be like an eye. Make another one, make another eye. See? So anything you want to design can be your own creation. Be as creative and as innovative as possible. But that is all I have for you today, boys and girls. Thank you so much for joining me. See you next time.